Hello friends, I'm Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, this channel is dedicated to English language, literature, criticism, academics, motivation and many more. Friends, in our today's video, we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on parts of speech. But friends, before we proceed, I request you to subscribe the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, here the parts of speech is one of the crucial elements of English grammar, and it is called as the foundation of English grammar. Friends, parts of speech are nothing but the categorization or division of the words according to their syntactic function or syntactic use. Friends, in this video we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on the parts of speech, including noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Somewhere, friends, you have to just it means the questions have been framed as such. You have to just in some questions you have to just fill in the blanks. Somewhere you have to identify the form of the word used in that particular sentence, whereas somewhere you have to recognize the form of the word. Then you have to just recognize the definition of different parts of speech given in the options or different choices given as A, B, C, D. So friends, in this way the multiple choice questions have been prepared and I am sure you will definitely enjoy this video. So friends, without delay, let us begin and explore some multiple choice questions based on parts of speech. So the first question we have, friends, here we have to just identify the form of the highlighted words given in the sentences. So question first we have, I bought a beautiful cap from the shop. So the word beautiful has been highlighted over here and we have to just identify the form of this word. Options are A, preposition, B, adjective, C, noun and D, adverb. The correct answer is B, that is adjective. Question number 2 we have, what did he ask you to do? Options are A, conjunction, B, preposition, C, pronoun and D, noun. So the correct answer is C, that is pronoun. Question number 3 we have, I left my sack under the kitchen table. We have to just identify the form of the word under. Options are A, adjective, B, preposition, C, pronoun and D, verb. The correct answer is B, that is preposition. Question number 4 we have, if we finish our work swiftly, we can go to the market. The form of the word that we are supposed to point out, recognize, that is swiftly. Options are A, adverb, B, conjunction, C, verb and D, adjective. The correct answer is A, that is adverb. Question number 5 we have, on Monday I worked from 10 to 5. The word work and the options are A, noun, B, pronoun, C, verb and D, adverb. Correct answer is C, that is verb. Question number 6 we have, I want to go to a university in the United States of America. So the word university is given and we have to identify its form. Options are A, adjective, B, preposition, C, pronoun and D, noun. The correct answer is D, that is noun. Question number 7 we have, I am sure I have met your friend before. So the word meet has been highlighted in the sentence and the given options are A, verb, B, adverb, C, adjective and D, preposition. The correct answer is A, that is verb. Question number 8 we have, well, I don't think I shall be at home before 8 p.m. The word well. Options are A, preposition, B, conjunction, C, interjection and D, pronoun. The correct answer is C, that is interjection. Next, question number 9 we have, Raj knocked on the door but nobody replied. The word but. Options are A, adverb, B, verb, C, preposition and D, conjunction. The correct answer is D, that is conjunction. Question number 10 we have, after dinner let's go outside for a walk. The word after has been highlighted, and the given options are A. Pronoun, B. Preposition, C. Verb, and D. Adverb. The correct answer is B, that is preposition. Question number 11 we have I dash in bracket read the book you lent me, but I dash in bracket not slash finished it yet. Options are A. Have been reading, haven't finished. B. Have read, haven't finished. C. I'm reading, haven't finished. And D. None of these. The correct answer is A, that is have been reading and haven't finished it yet. Question number 12 we have which of the following is noun? Options are the, B. Walk, C. Dog, and D. Long. The correct answer is C, that is dog. Question number 13 we have which of the following is not a verb? Options are A. Grab, B. Carrot, C. Run, and D. Make. The correct answer is B, that is carrot, cause it's a noun. Question number 14 we have which of the following is a preposition? Options are A. Silver, B. Could, C. Behind, and D. Water. The correct answer is C, that is behind. Question number 15 we have which of the following is an adjective? Options are A. Shirt, B. Blue, C. Box, D. Call. Correct answer is B, that is blue. Question number 16 we have which of the following is an adverb? Options are A. Short, B. Quickly, C. Stand, and D. Smart. The correct answer is B, that is quickly. Question number 17 we have which of the following is not a pronoun? Options are A. Tell, B. They, C. She, and D. Him. The correct answer is A, that is tell. Question number 18 we have identify the sentence that has a preposition. Options are A. Keep working hard, B. He asked about a pen, C. The cat ran, and D. Will talk. The correct answer of this question is B, that is he asked about a pen. And here in this sentence about is a preposition. We have question number 19. Identify the sentence that does not have an adjective. Options are A. She had a red pen, B. Can we play cricket, C. He had chocolate milk, and D. The cute dog barked. The correct answer is B, that is can we play cricket. Question number 20 we have which part of speech names a person, place, or thing? Options are A. Noun, B. Adjective, C. Verb, and D. Adverb. The correct answer is of course A, that is noun. Question number 21 we have which parts of speech replaces noun? Options are A. Pronoun, B. Verb, C. Adverb, and D. None of these. The correct answer is A, that is pronoun. Question number 22 we have which parts of speech describes a noun or a pronoun? Options are A. Adjective, B. Adverb, C. Conjunction, and D. Verb. The correct answer is A, that is adjective. Question number 23 we have which parts of speech modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb? Options are A. Preposition, B. Verb, C. Noun, and D. Adverb. The correct answer is D, that is adverb. Question number 24 we have which parts of speech joins words or parts of a sentence together? Options are A. Preposition, B. Pronoun, C. Conjunction, and D. Verb. The correct answer is C, that is conjunction. Question number 25 we have which parts of speech shows emotions? Options are A. Pronoun, B. Conjunction, C. Adjective, and D. Interjection. The correct answer of this question is D, and that is interjections. Question number 26 we have define verb. Options are A. A word used to describe an action, B. A word that gives more detail about noun, C. A person, place, thing, or idea, and D. A word that gives more details about verb. Correct answer is A, that is a word used to describe an action. Question number 27 we have define noun. Options are A. An action, B. A word that gives more detail about noun, C. A person, place, thing, or idea, and D. A word that gives more details about verbs. The correct answer of this question is C, that is a word which is used for a person, place, thing, or idea. Question number 28 we have define adverb. Options are A. An action, B. A word that gives more details about noun, C. A person, place, thing, or idea, and D. A word that modifies another adverb, adjective, or verb. And the correct answer is D, that is a verb that modifies another adverb, adjectives, or verb. Question number 29, we have define adjective. Options are A, an action, B, a word that gives more details about noun, C, a person, place, thing or idea, and D, a word that gives more details about verb. The correct answer is B, that is a word that gives more details about noun. Question number 30, we have Anita ate a slice of cake. Which word or words is or are noun in the sentence? Options are A, Anita, B, ate, C, slice, and D, Anita and cake. The correct answer is D, and that is Anita and cake are the nouns in the given sentence. Question number 31, we have Rocky's hair is silky brown. Identify the adjective in the sentence. Options are A, Rocky's, B, hair, C, silky, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, that is silky. Question number 32, we have Sanjay climbed the tree very fast. We have to identify the verb in the given sentence, and the options are A, Sanjay, B, climbed, C, really, and D, fast. The correct answer is B, that is climb. Question number 33, we have Raj jumped on top of his bed with joy. How many prepositions are there in the sentence? Options are A1, B2, C3, and D4. The correct answer of this question is C3, and that is on, off, and with. Question number 34, we have she was wearing really beautiful earrings. Options are, we have to just point out the form of the word that is beautiful. Options are A, adjective, B, adverb, C, noun, and D, preposition. The correct answer is A, and that is adjective. Question number 35, we have wow, you have got a great score. Identify the form of the highlighted word. Options are A, conjunction, B, interjection, C, pronoun, and D, none of these. The correct answer of this question is B, and that is interjection. Question number 36, we have take your first left, then go over the bridge. Identify the form of the highlighted word, and the word is take. Options are A, noun, B, preposition, C, verb, and D, adjective. Correct answer is C, and that is verb. Question number 37, we have there is a meeting next week, though I don't think I can go. Identify the form of the highlighted word, and the word is though. Options are A, preposition, B, conjunction, C, verb, and D, adverb. The correct answer is B, that is conjunction. Question number 38, we have he thinks we will arrive at roughly 4 p.m. Identify the form of the highlighted word, and the word is we. Options are A, noun, B, pronoun, C, verb, and D, adverb. The correct answer is B, that is pronoun. Question number 39, we have the music is very loud. Identify the form of the highlighted word, and the word is music. Options are A, adjective, B, noun, C, verb, and D, interjection. Correct answer is B, that is noun. The last question we have, question number 40. He goes to Mumbai often, not only for the business but also for the family. Identify the form of the highlighted words, and words are not only and but also. Options are A, conjunction, B, adverb, C, preposition, and none of these. The correct answer is A, and that is conjunction. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on the parts of speech. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, then I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. If you are a new viewer to this channel, friends, then I request you to subscribe the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with different video. Till then, just friends, take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.